Now we have a lot of members asking about Z package and PhilHealth around the Philippines. So if you don't know what a Z package is, it is a package of certain hospitals that approve a hip or knee replacement for free in certain government hospitals. Usually, not all government hospitals have this. And they are asking saan po maoperahan. Here in Cebu City, if I'm not mistaken, Vicente Soto is the government hospital with a Z package. And it's very possible that if you go to Vicente Soto, you can get a free surgery for a hip or knee replacement under the Z package, if I'm not mistaken. Now, of course, please do your own research because I no longer go to the government hospitals in Cebu City.